the projections of solids problem by using AutoCAD software. So go to AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode and type limits. Specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210. Then go to zoom all. Then go to line. Take line, select some arbitrary point on the lower left corner of the sheet and drag the mouse to the right side and click on first button of the mouse and take the cursor to the top side. Again click on the first button of the mouse after some distance and go to offset. Take the distance as 297. Select this vertical line and offset to the left side. Again go to the offset, take the distance as 210. Select object to offset. You select this line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom extends and zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Similarly fillet between these two. Similarly fillet between these two. Then go to zoom window. Select this and then go to D text. Specify start point of text. Select some point. Take the text height as 4. Rotation angle as 0. Type the problem number 148. And here a hexagonal pyramid, 25 mm sides of base and 50 mm axis length, rests on HP on one of its slant triangular faces. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis is inclined to VP at 45 degrees. Then go zoom previous, then go to zoom window, then go to layer, click on new, type the layer as XY, then click on new, type the layer as axis, then click on new, type the layer as visible, then go to new, type the layer as invisible, then click on new, type the layer as locus, then go to 0 layer, line weight default, make it 0.05, then in XY click on the line weight of XY, make it select to 0.13 and click on the layer of axis line weight, make this as 0.05, click on visible layer default of line weight and make it 0.5, then say OK, then click on invisible layer, you make this as 0.3 and say OK, click on invisible layer of locus, click on locus layer and set the line weight as to 0.05, then go to continuous, click on load, take the locus as D dash dot and say OK, click on D and say OK, then go to invisible, click on the layer invisible line type of continuous, click on load, take as hidden and say OK, click on hidden and say OK, then go to axis, click on the continuous line of axis, then click on load, take the cursor here, type C and say OK, click on center and say OK. So this is how you will be able to change the line types and the line weights of individual layer created. Now we go for a polygon command. Take the number of sides as 6, go to edge option, so you specify some arbitrary point here and take the edge as 25 mm and then go to move, select, then go to move, select this and move it and place it wherever you want. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this, similarly int of this and int of this and take intersection part of this and take intersection part of this, then switch on the ortho mode, then go to line, take offset the distance as 50 mm, so you take this and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, similarly line int of this and take perpendicular to this and then perpendicular to this, then take int of this, Similarly, line int of this and take perpendicular to this and then int of this. Then go to erase, then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Then you select this and select this line and you select these three and this. Go to ch, go to layer, click on visible layer and switch on the line weight display. Then go to group, then group, select this entire thing of the first position front view. Then go to copy, select this and copy it here. Then go to rotate, select this, take base point int of this and take the reference and take int of this and take int of this and rotate it like this. Then go to move, select this and move it nearer. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a vertical line and take int of this and draw a vertical line and take int of this and draw a vertical line and take int of this and draw a vertical line. Then go to line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to trim between these two and then go to trim between these two. Now then go to zoom window and now here we just go to line, take int of this and int of this and take int of this and int of this and take int of this. Then go to line int of this and int of this and int of this and int of this line and take int of this and take line int of this and int of this and take intersection point of this. Once you do that, now we go for break command. Select this, take first point int of this, say at the rate. Then select this line int of this and say at the rate. Then go to break first point int of this and say at the rate. Now break, select this first point int of this and say at the rate and break first point int of this and say at the rate and go to break first point int of this and say at the rate. Now we will going to consider all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible and the surface nearer to the observer is visible. So this is visible and these two lines are visible. Then go to layer, make this layer as visible and similarly you just click on this line and this line, these two edges are going to become invisible and take this distance as 15. Then escape, because two visible edges can never cross each other. Then go to layer, make this layer as axis and select this and you take it 10. Then escape. Then go to group, select this entire drawing and group this. Then go to zoom previous, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. Take int of this and take int of this and similarly line int of this and draw a horizontal line. Then go to DDIM, go to modify, take this precision as second, go to text height as 4, aligned with the dimension line, centered is above, take this distance as 3 and go to symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 4, then go to lines, take offset from the origin as 3, say OK and then close. Then dim horizontal, take intersection point of this and int of this and take the dimension of this. Then go to line, take nearest point on this and take any point and say at the rate 100 less than minus 135, and then go to circle, take nearest point on this, take the radius as 50, and then go to line, draw a horizontal line, then go to break it in anti-clockwise direction, and here also in anti-clockwise direction. Then go to fillet between these two, then go to circle, take center point of this, radius 45.88, then go to break again this circle in the anti-clockwise direction, then go to erase. Now then erase this, then go to copy, select this, take int of this, and take center point of this, then go to rotate, select this, base point int of this, then go to reference angle as 180, then take the new angle as intersection part of this. Once you get this, then go to break, select this. Now you go to layer, you make this layer as a locus and take the distance as 3. Then you click on this to make this distance as 10. Then escape. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of these two. Then go to line, intersection of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. Take line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Now we go for line command, line intersection point of this, intersection point of this, and intersection point of this, and then int of this, and then int of this. Then go to line, take int of this, and take intersection point of this, and take intersection point of this, and then int of this, and take int of this. And go to line, take int of this and take int of this. Then go to break, select this line, first point int of this and say at the rate, first point int of this and say at the rate. Then go to zoom window. So now all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. So select this line, this line, this line, this line. So go to break, select this, take first point int of this and say at the rate. Then select these two and this line, the surface near to the observer is visible, these two and this. Go to layer, make this as visible layer, then just go to these two and go to layer, make this as invisible because two visible edges can never cross each other. Apply that condition. Then go to layer, you make this layer as axis and make this distance as 10. Then go to zoom previous, and then here you just click on this, click on this, and click on this, and click on this, and make this layer as XY. Then here go to DDIM, go to modify, so take the primary units as 0 and say OK and say close. Then dim vertical, select this line, take the distance as 25 and dim vertical int of this and int of this. Then take this distance and get dim angular, select between this line and this line, you will going to get 45. Again dim angular between these two. Then go to text, give space and you take this here and you just go to M text, select this window and you come down to symbol, click on this and type small letter B, and then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, select this and move it here, and go to dim TED, select this and take it here. Then here you go to the text, switch on the caps lock, type capital X, capital VP, capital HP, capital Y, and put on the caps lock and type small a, B, C, D, E and F, and here you type O, and here you type O1, then go to O dash, here it is A dash, here it is B dash, here it is C dash, here it is D dash, here it is E dash, here it is F dash, here it is O1 dash, and go to zoom window, go to move, switch off the ortho mode, go to X, type VP, you take HP, and here you take O dash, here it is A dash, here it is F dash, here it is B dash, here it is O1 dash, here it is E dash, here it is C dash, here it is D dash, here it is O, here it is O1, here it is A, here it is F, here it is E, here it is D, here it is A, here it is B. Now, next, then go to copy this O dash, copy, select O dash and copy it here, then go to C dash and you copy D dash, you copy B dash, you copy E dash, type A dash, you type F dash, here it is O, so here it is A will come here, B will come here, sorry, F will come here, here it is B, here it is C, here it is D, here it is E, then here D text you type O1 and say move this here, and again go to copy, type A here, then here it is B, here it is C, here it is D, here it is E, here it is F, here it is O1, here it is O. And to do that, you go to show previous. So now for D text, so here you mark this as O dash, then you have A dash, then you come down to B dash, you come down to C dash, you come down to D dash, you come down to E dash, you come down to F dash, and here you will get O1 dash. Then go to zoom window, select this, then go to move, select O dash, then come down to C dash, you come down to D dash, you come down to E dash, you come down to F dash, you move this A dash, then you come down to B dash. Then here remove this O1 dash, because A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash all are visible. So since the O1 dash is on that surface, so O1 dash will become visible. So this is how you will be able to complete the solution by using AutoCAD software. Then go to save, then go to the appropriate directory, go to AutoCAD, go to Solids Videos, Solids Drawings, take P148, so P148 and save it, and finally you exit the software.